Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reduce your logo padding in Shopify Dawn theme. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your store control panel and then click on online store right here, then on the themes, and then click on the three dots right here and click on edit code. Right here you'll need to wait a little bit. After that, as you can see, this is the code control panel. So on the left side you will see your theme and etc. So click on your theme and make sure to navigate to the assets right here and click on base.css. After that, what you'll need to do is click on Ctrl F, and what you'll need to write is dot header underscore underscore heading, then link. Okay, so it should look like this. And now using these arrows we need to find the right line. So we found that. So for my it is 2437, and as you can see this is the padding. So you can comment that and it will be not usable, or you can just remove it and it will work the same as you comment that. So basically I will remove it and hit save right here. And after that, if I go to my store and refresh the page, as you can see, the padding is removed right now. And if we inspect it, we will be able to see that our padding is now only our logo. We don't have any other hitboxes around it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.